Hello, let's talk about plumbing, and let me tell you about one of my biggest mistakes. When it comes to plumbing, you have to make sure you camera the lines. And the reason why is a lot of these commercial real estate buildings and strip malls were never made for salon suites. And what I mean by that is, if you notice, like when you go to any kind of department store, you're gonna see all of the bathrooms all the way in the back of the facility. And that's for a reason, because they didn't trench all the way up. A lot of times what happens is the depth of the sewer is actually not deep enough to support a salon suite. So that's one of the biggest mistakes. You always have to camera the line to make sure that the sewer lines could actually accommodate your salon suite facility. One of the other things is that you want to camera the lines is you want to make sure that the plumbing that's already existing can support your project. My Trexlertown location, biggest mistake, it was a $50,000 mistake. What had happened was it was a vanilla shell. There was 2 brand new bathrooms in there. So we thought, perfect, this is, the plumbing was brand new. Well, what we realized was the 2 bathrooms were hooked up to a 35-foot PVC pipe that went to nowhere. And the plumbing that we actually hooked up with collapsed during construction. And what that meant for us is it was literally the day before our final occupancy inspection. And the plumbers came to me and said, "Hey, Karen, the toilets are backing up." And I was like, okay, well, figure it out. Well, it came to find out they started cameraing the lines. That's when we realized the bathrooms weren't hooked up to anything. And then the plumbing that we actually hooked up to had collapsed during construction. So what that meant for me is I either had to reconnect to the actual plumbing that was available, or I had to run my own line. And you had to remember, there in our Trexlertown location, 7,300 square feet, there are 26 studios in there, and there was 2 sinks in each room. So we opted to actually have to tarp everything off, trench from the bathroom down probably another 20-foot hallway, then out the door, which is another probably 50 feet, into the parking lot. And we had to actually connect to the actual sewer main. And it was in July, so we were supposed to open in June. We never opened until the end of August. And again, that set us back. The cost of that was over $50,000 that the landlord didn't pay for. And then on top of that, I had to pave the parking lot because we opened up the space and the pavement, so we had to pave that. So lessons learned, if you're ever doing any kind of salon suite, make sure you camera the lines, make sure you know what the depth of the sewer line is and the condition of the existing plumbing. This will save you a ton of money, and it'll save you the headaches later on. If you have any questions or you want to work with us, feel free to visit our website and fill out a discovery call or an interview, and we can go over and help you with your project. Thanks. Have a great day.